Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thanks for showing up and joining us. Be sure to subscribe before you leave, and welcome back everyone. Guys, get this. I was put on the CECRED PR list. I was, oh my god, so freaking excited. Yes, they did reach out to me, but I was like, this might be a little too good to be true. So when it arrived at my house, I was flabbergasted. Now, I did put a unboxing video on TikTok, so I'll add that to my YouTube shorts, but you guys are gonna be seeing me use this for the first time on my hair. So I just took out my boho braids, and this is how my hair looks. Now, I need to take care of my hair more, and that's really the goal for this year. So I have a little plan for myself, and the first thing that I want to do is stop washing my hair so much. So the goal is to wash my hair once a month. And I'm telling you guys, this video, I think this is around March something, March 5th or March 6th, right? So that's the last time I've washed my hair. And I decided that I really want to try to be consistent using the products that was sent to me from CECRED, just to see like if there is any, hair benefits, hair growth, hair differences, and so forth. So I went ahead and I used her cleansing shampoo because I really wanted to get all the gunk and dirt out of my hair. And I think I did about 2 washes, because I feel like with cleansing shampoos, you should probably use like it once or twice or even 3 times just to get everything out. She did send me 2 shampoos. I think the other one was a hydrating shampoo, and I know you can use both, but I don't really want to dry my hair out too much. I told you guys my hair feels like it's really brittle right now from all the styling that I've been doing on my hair, so I really just wanted to use one shampoo, and then I figured the next time I wash my hair again, I'll try out both. I love a shampoo that gets super sooty. So I think one of the great things about this cleansing shampoo is 1, it smells good. It's like a sweet, soft smell. And then 2, it gets super sooty. I think I saw some people complaining about that it wasn't getting sooty, and I'm like, which one did you use? Because mine was extremely sooty, but I do use a lot. Now, this product, I suggest you run to go get this. My hair immediately felt different. It was softer, it felt stronger. This is the fermented rice and rose protein ritual, and it's a 2-step process. So you pour the fermented rice and rose treatment rinse all over your hair first. Let it sit for 5 minutes, and then you rinse, and then put step 2 into your hair. Let it sit for 5 more minutes, and then you rinse. Okay, so moving on to the moisturizing deep conditioner, 10 out of 10. I'm so heavy-handed, so I did use a lot, but the smell on this is, it smells so freaking good. So this is supposed to bring dehydrated and dull hair back to life, and I'll say this, I do a lot of reviews on products, and I'm also manipulating my hair so much. So my hair feels very dry and brittle most of the time. I want to say I was able to brush through my hair easily because of this product, and usually I have to detangle first and then brush. It's also supposed to soften and improve manageability, which I'm not gonna lie guys, it definitely did. This is the moisture sealing lotion, and I use this product on damp hair. Now, this is supposed to reduce split ends, reduce frizz, seals your cuticles, and it's safe for human hair wigs and weaves. You can see how shiny my hair is without any oil. the Nourishing Hair Oil. This oil is supposed to create a natural shine. It's for dry and dull hair. Based on my part 1 Sacred review, I talked about me having dry and brittle hair. I love that this oil smells super good. It's lightweight, so your hair should still be moving and have body after applying. If it's stiff, you probably put too much. It leaves your hair soft, and it can be used on wigs and weaves. So I was going to bed, so I said, you know what, let me go ahead and wrap my hair so that tomorrow I can show you guys me putting in my clip-ins. But you know how it feels when you a nice silk press, you just want to style it directly after. Well, at least that's how I am. So I did go ahead and wrap my hair. So the next morning, I woke up and undid my silk press. Now, I keep touching and playing with my hair because it was super soft, and I feel like, and it just felt really hydrated. It did feel completely different than it had before I used the CECRED products. I will say I have not felt my hair feel this soft in such a long time. Soft, and like the strands itself felt stronger. So I do wonder if that was from the protein treatment that I did use, and if that's the case, then I'm gonna use it. I think she gave us 4 in the box. I'm gonna use it continuously. So right now, as I'm editing this video, it is about a month and change later. I think I recorded this video in March, and then I just washed my hair in April. I used the products again, but I didn't use the protein treatment. So and that was because I forgot. So I'm gonna try to use it again when I wash my hair for the 3rd time using these products. But so far, I am highly impressed with CECRED. I am a little skeptical sometimes about celebrity brands. I'm gonna keep it real because I feel like everyone's coming out with one. I am open-minded when it is a brand that does look like it has a lot of science to back up its claims and products and so forth. So I do feel like a lot of the ingredients that are in the CECRED products are great ingredients that are good for hair strength, hair growth, and hydration, moisturizing, and so forth. So I'm here for it. Then I went ahead and installed my clip-ins. My clip-ins are from softmusehair.com. I have 2 bundles of 18 inches in the silky straight, and I just like to put this in directly after a silk press. I do have textured clip-ins as well, and those I put in like a little bit like on week 2 or 3 of like my silk press, or like a flat iron, you know. But yeah, I added some more oil to my hair, and the oil again is lightweight, so it really is for styling. I wouldn't use this to like really hydrate my hair, but I would say it's definitely for styling. But yeah, I did rate the entire collection an 8 out of 10 on Instagram and TikTok. And the only reason why I say 8 out of 10 is because I do want to actually try to use this for 4 consecutive months without trying other products. And that's the goal. You know, hair is kind of my job. So I'm going to try to be as firm as possible with just only using CECRED. But so far, I like the way the product made my hair feel. And I'm curious to see how else will my hair improve going forward. So we're gonna try her out for a little bit, and I highly recommend you guys try it out. Until then, watch one of my previous videos. Until then, stick around for a little bit and either watch this or watch this.